YouTube, good morning. What's going on, y'all? So I got some news today. I got a package delivered. Let's see what we got, man. Hup, let's see what we got, man. Yeah. Ooh, it's bright. Jesus. Oh yeah. You excited, huh? Alright, so I figured I'd move the box out to the sunlight just for some better lighting. Working up against the garage wasn't the greatest. Of course, we got to be careful with the parts as we're unboxing them. So there go the side pieces. Front fender's already out. There's the rear over fender with the gas cap. I probably can't tell what this is as I'm taking it out the box because it's wrapped up. But don't worry, I'm gonna show you. Show you what we got going on for Christmas. And I'm hiking. Just woke up too, so don't mind me. Boy. And of course, my lovely assistant Portland needs to inspect the side skirts and make sure they are legit. Make sure there's no bad vibes attached. Let's see what's going on here. I hope. Yeah, we got the bumper. Thing's super light, especially compared to what came on the car from the previous owner. So I'm excited. I'm still double check my list. Out of back. So goes like that. Boom. Middle piece. Oh, that thing is dancing in the light. Jesus. Yeah, just in case you can't tell already, I haven't had any carbon fiber bits before, so excuse me if I don't know how to act, man, but it really was dancing in the light. Get into it, I'm probably take this inside so I can actually get a proper view of what we got. But yeah, Santa Claus came today. Santa definitely came today. All right, so from here, my camera died, but I laid everything out exactly how it's going to look when it goes on the car. I have a bunch of other things that I need to get done before I think about putting this kit on the car. But yeah, stay tuned, see what I got planned, and I'll see y'all soon.